Well, it was all that I could do to keep from crying. Sometimes it seems so useless to remain. You don't have to call me darling, darling. You never even called me by my name. And you don't have to call me Waylon Jennings. And you don't have to call me Charlie Pride. And you don't have to call me Merle anymore. Just because you're on my fighting side. And I'll hang around as long as you will let me. And I never understand you don't have to call me darling, darling. You never call me by my name. Songs where I play, but the only time I know I'll hear David Allen Coe is when Jesus has his final judgment day.
One motorcycle and you're so happy to talk to you.
What about the price of the gasoline?
Our gallon is actually 4.5 liters.
So therefore premium.
Gallon being a little bit.
Well, a friend of mine named Steve Goodman wrote that song. He told me it was the perfect country and western song. I wrote him back a letter and I told him it was not the perfect country and western song because they hadn't said anything at all about mama, or trains, or trucks, or prisons, or getting drunk. Well, he wrote another verse to the song and he sent it to me, and after reading it, I realized that my friend had written the perfect country and western song. I felt obliged to put it out as my third record. The last verse went like this. I was drunk the day my mom got out of prison, and I went to pick her up in the rain. But before I could get to station in my pickup truck, what happened, y'all?